Hey guys, I'm Will with Jerkyholic, and today we're going to do a spatchcock turkey. So we got the smoker fired up. We got this thing already split. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty easy, and we're going to get it on, throw some spices, and have a great dinner. All right, so we're going to preheat the smoker to 225, and then we're going to cut the backbone out of the turkey. So I just use some kitchen shears and cut on either side of that backbone, and it should come right out. And then also there's some skin on the front of the turkey. We're going to go ahead and cut that off as well. And then once we get that cut off, we're going to flip the turkey over. We're going to use the palm of our hand and kind of push down and flatten it out. And you can also take out that like temperature probe that comes when you buy a turkey. All right, once this thing's flattened out, we're going to put some olive oil on it. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. And we're going to get this right on the smoker. And we're going to smoke this, and while we're doing that, we're going to make our glaze, which is some honey and sriracha and butter. We're going to set this aside for later. Once our turkey hits about 130 internal, we're going to turn the temperature up to 400 degrees, cook about 30 minutes, and then baste it with that sriracha sauce. And then we're going to cook it to 165 when measured internal on the thickest part of the breast. And that's it. Once it's done, remove it and serve. Enjoy.